Hello, my 3D printer peeps. Hello, Bambu Lab users. I'm sitting here with the Bambu Lab P1 series printer. This is a P1P. It's exactly the same as your P1S. Attached to it is the all-new Bambu Lab AMS2 Pro. Today, we are going to learn how to use the heating/drying function of the AMS2 Pro with your P1 series printer. Let's pop into it. The controls for your AMS2 drying function are here within the screen in your printer's firmware. To access them, press the down arrow to the hot end and print bed icon. Press OK. Scroll down. Continue to scroll down. And would you look at that? Drying. Press OK. AMS2 Pro available. Press OK. In here, you will find the drying settings. Your first option is drying presets, temperature, and time. Press down one time to highlight drying presets. Press OK. In here, you can choose ABS, ASA, PA, PHT, PC, PETG, PLA, and a whole laundry list of options. I have 4 spools of PLA loaded, so I will choose PLA. When selecting your filament, it will automatically return you to the menu. You may scroll down to adjust the temperature and the time. I would suggest using their suggested temperature unless you have reason to do otherwise, and 8 hours might be a bit much. I find 4 to 6 hours is usually sufficient. However, you can make that call for yourself. Go ahead and press OK, and you'll see the drying time is now 4 hours. With all of this set, scroll down to highlight Start Drying and press OK. You will notice it's asking you to unload all the spools and tidy up the filament ends. In simple terms, be sure none of your filament is loaded into the AMS funnel, and be sure all of your ends are secured so that your spools can turn freely. Close the lid, lock the lid, return to your screen. With Start Drying highlighted, press OK, and you will hear a series of clicks, followed by a fan. That is the initiation of the heating process. You will see your stats here on the screen, and you may press OK on stop at any time to interrupt this. With the heating initiated, you will see these very cool fire-like glowing LED effect on each slot of the AMS that's drying. After some time, the spools will begin rotating as part of the drying process. This is a slow rotation, so don't expect to see your spools spinning away. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to dry your filament with your Bambu Lab AMS2 Pro. You may stop this process at any time to return to printing. Just remember to reload your filament and not to attempt drying while printing. I'm Mr. Reg. This is the AMS2 Pro drying on a P1 series printer, and you're on 3D Rundown.